for hey Kwame A+. Osanso de bia be bomu. Kwame A+ anso de bia be boom. Na mobeka ya abranche bia ende bosha MPP for sorry a wo boni din say won no there corruption just say mahama time na yewi Ghana sikama na just say bebre ya yaka Seidu Agongo migidi say what in the din da na Seidu Agongo na wo bank bia ye friend no Heritage Bank na MPP for eba aban mu no e da say bank no ye gu no nkofo bebre akasa some NDC people are saying say that be ye sheda na target Seidu Agongo MPP for so dress that be or you corrupt Kwame A+ aba bonten ka say MPP for na wo mu gina echi ho ka say Seidu Agongo wo you corrupt no Kwame A+ what ya no wo gusuniti o se mo MPP for enda de munim say Seidu Agongo wo you corrupt send ya na mu jiska efri ne ho every year campaign ema nanado winning election no and MPP for mo aba mu nti no mo ka say Seidu Agongo ye corrupt because mo pese Ghana 40 ase say eye NDC for pe na wo diska ema no na asem we Kwame A+ e kan wo sinkrofo bia wo mo ben President Kufuado wo mo ekọ Seidu Agongo ho ko jiska sika wo mo ji efri ni ho na enye easy omutumi ko ji 7 million Ghana cedis no mo akọ ji up to before the 2016 elections no beba no mo akọ ne ho akọ ji 7 million now they sponsor wo mo campaign no mo afa echi akọ ji we nini na mo no omo criticizing no mo afa echi akọ ji no mo criticizing no say Seidu Agongo de ye ba ye be chi no ubonzo nkofu bia wo mo ben Ekufuado ende omo afa ne ho akọ ji asemo Kwame A+ ade tu dwane na de Kwame A+ can say eye ne ya say in same way ni na nkrofo a wo mo ben President Ekufuado a wo mo ye ade we ni na no Ekufuado enim na wono Kwame A+ wo be ma Ekufuado enhu se nipa we a wotale wo nchen a de bia wo say Seidu Agongo ama no say nipa we sika wakoji wo President Ekufuado wudin mu no enye easy unim de ya Kwame A+ say omo wo ben President Ekufuado no omo koji sika na enese sika na kra no omo koji a ebia wo no beba be ma President Ekufuado na we hu se okay Seidu Agongo waboa Ekufuado wo mu de Ekufuado din be kwa koji sika no wo mu koji sika ni wi a Ekufuado nim sika no ho he ndi dese wo mu tale Ekufuado ho e na tese wo mu edididi ya ko yese nsem a Kennedy Japan meka efa nkrofo bia wo mu tale President Ekufuado ho a wo mu jijis ka free Ghana fo bi Ghana businessmen bia wo mu free abrochi ba ya yese wo pesa otina president nche ya e wo se otia $100,000 mo kai sa asem no Kennedy Japan de ba bonten no sa asem no ya ko yese da bi nkrofo bi etale president na wo mu the president ni din didi president no woni mo hwe ba asem ne ba president ni din ne yebebo Mobekaya last year. No, I think it was earlier this year. May the story be Bremo. Abranche be MPP executive. Abranche be was standing as MPP chairman. What Flagstaff House. Also Ekwa Jijin Grofo Sika. Say auction cars obeto amomo and later one cotton cars na momo. Or Jijin Grofo Bebre Sika. Abranche no eye juma wa Flagstaff House. Because Flagstaff House and Grofo Koha wamo eko tia sika no man na wamo receipt ni bibia. And Abrante Yobia, he stood as a chairman, MPP. You see what Abrante, saying deputy chief of staff, Jinapo. You see the small boy. And a deputy chief of staff, when you him say, Obianka say, unim who be, but on also him say be a Flagstaff House or no what. In Tiayako, said these stories are coming out too many. People who are close to the president are using his name in a bad way. Yes, Remo, the handlers of the president, I say we need that. Because at the long run, no, presidents no, everybody no him who show. Ubon say for boni bi omotale ne ho no mo de ne din edidi. Mo kai anasa rema ya wa na sensensem a Kwesi Nyantakyi kwa katre Anas a eden sem bebreba oman wemu and also sa will be beba beka say ubonza Kwesi Nyantakyi tale president and Kwesi Nyantakyi numobi a what tale president no a work can say president no e was so man $5 million also my vice ni say woman say won asem krofo a wo mo ben president no e de FLN nam ne ho e de edidi e de ebu nkrofo bi a yanhwe yi a it will go a long way to destroy the president's name. Because me Makatro se Ghana has say, Sadian, Sani yeti. See, you who say president official, a ye bibia, Ubon said the president needing for a home, Abia na president, Nika will ni ma send home shade. That's how we are in this country. Now, me say, me can't send ya Kwame A plus D2. You see, you can't be that wicked to people. You went to people you claimed were corrupt while in opposition and took money from them to go and campaign. I am not even sure the party got the money, and now the government is turning around to chase the same people for corruption. Why? As someone A plus say can no. Say Nkrofo bi a wo mo pay President Akufo-Addo ko jiska every Nkrofo bi ho. Sika no wo mo ko je no, they used Akufo-Addo's name and MPP's name. Wonu A plus na ka se wonya sure kra se wo bukọ ji sika ni wie ye no ye de sika na bre Akufo-Addo ana NPP na so mu wie ye mo ba aban mu no mo tankrofo wechi egu wo mu ndwuma kan se wo mo ye corrupt. Was say you kept clamoring that the man was corrupt and that you would jail him should you win power, not knowing you were taking money from him for your election campaign. A plus and sema wodi tuja ene ye ne ye kan. Was say I am waiting to meet the president one-on-one to tell him certain very sensitive things. I will tell him directly that so and so and so use your name to extort money from Seidu Agongo and others. They use your name to take money from the same people they've been saying are corrupt and chop the money. And then when they came to power, they collapse the businesses of those people and they turn around and act like they don't know anything about it. No one say A plus A can MPP phobia a ben president eko jiska film grofo we ho wo mo eba aban mu no wo mo na shechi e man grofo yi yegu wo mu nyuma. I said the most painful aspect of the issue is that even after winning the election, the same people in MPP went back to the same Seidu Agongo and told him that you've got trouble coming your way. Give me $2 million to go and deal with the person on your behalf. Give me $5 million to go and talk to that person on your behalf. Give me $1 million to go and deal with the person on your behalf. They took up to the tune of $22 million from the man and later on collapsed the man's bank and his business. Munchi asemwa A plus A count. Wasi MPP ba aben mu no nkrofo we no mo jiska wo de MPP din Akufo-Addo din ekwa jiska fi Seidu Agongo ho no wo mo na techi ana efe echi kwa katre Seidu Agongo say hey ya ba aben mu no ye nyante ya say ye begu nnwuma o ye begu nnwuma na nnwuma ne ye begu no ma me 5 million na me ko kebi ma o minim ni pakra wo she echi ma me 5 million na me ko ma ni bi ne kebi ma o Mami $2 million na me koma ni bini enke bi ma o. Mami $1 million na me koma. Just say Kwame A plus wo mo ye yaji $22 million from Seidu Agongo because ono so na one person ye begu na ejuma. Tinkrofo iji sika we fi ni ho no. Still wo mo ye hwehan e ma Seidu Agongo ye gu na ejuma. Kwame A plus e na eka. But say I have decided not to mention names now because of the love I have for President Akufo-Addo. But whoever dares me will have himself to blame. As someone A plus A can no. Or say one person will be body. Now what say we MPP ni na won himself wo ka ho na oba bontin be ye kwa. Say oh masa fio uni mo bia ye anu keke na wo ya. Onu A plus be release list ni information ma. Ghana for mu be hu say yes. It's here for as someone A plus they to Ghana no. Now we don't know anything about it. A plus na kasa until he provides proof no. We can't say this is true or not true. That's the least we can say. Or that's the more we can say. And therefore, quickly, me person mun ya mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu. So the question I want to ask is say the time A plus Emra na he was still with NPP no information we nya na wo and na say afiansa we nya information no that's the question I want to ask. Montreal mo adwo comment box me for me da say